Hello students, once again welcome to English Literature Classroom. Today my topic is Shakespeare's Merchant of Venice. Now Shakespeare's Merchant of Venice I already started teaching and I had completed teaching Act 1, Scene 1 and Scene 2. Even in Scene 3 I completed up to line 34. Okay, today I am going to start from line 35. Okay, before starting, let me recap a little. Look, this is Act 1, Scene 3. The scene takes place in Venice, a public place. And now the two characters who are entering the scene are Bassanio and Shylock. Okay, so let's recap a little. Shylock, a Jewish moneylender, the villain of the play, is introduced. Antonio is forced to borrow money from him, whom he has insulted for years. The scene also introduces Shylock's character. Bassanio, using Antonio's good name for credit demands 3,000 ducats from Shylock, a Jewish moneylender. Shylock hesitates at first, but feels later that Antonio is a good risk, as his wealth was tied up in ships at that time. He realizes that his deal would be a good one to take revenge on Antonio. He tells Bassanio that he wants to meet Antonio. Bassanio invites him for dinner at his place, which he refuses as he has no problem doing business with Christians, but it is against his principle to eat with them. Now, let's start from Shylock. Okay, but before starting, let me tell you that in my last class I taught you that Bassanio invited Shylock to dine with him. At that moment, Shylock replied that he would not drink with Christian, he would not pray with Christian, and he would not eat with Christian. Okay, and what are the things he is going to do with the Christian? He would buy with Christians, he would sell with Christian, he would talk with Christians, he would walk with Christians, but he would not eat with the Christians, drink with the Christians, or pray with the Christians. Clear? Now let's start from here. And enter Antonio. Bassanio, this is Signer Antonio. Bassanio is telling that this is Signer Antonio. Shylock is telling, look how like a fawning publican he looks. He is referred to Antonio. Now Shylock is telling that Antonio is looking like a fawning publican. Fawning means flattering. Publican means tax collector. I hate him for he is a Christian. Now Shylock is telling that he hates Antonio. The reason is that because Antonio is Christian. But more for than in low simplicity, he lends out money gratis and brings down the rate of usurance here with us in Venice. Now, first of all, Shylock hates Antonio because Antonio is a Christian, but more than that, he hates him because of his foolishness. He lends out money without interest. Okay? Antonio lends out money without interest and thus bring down the rate of interest in Venice. And this is the another reason that Shylock hates Antonio. Okay? Now, here he is telling that if I can catch him once upon the hip, I will feed fat the ancient grudge. I hear him. Now, what Shylock is telling that if once Shylock would catch Antonio, then he will take full revenge from Antonio. Okay, and he is also blaming that Antonio hates his sacred nation. Sacred nation means whole Jew community. Okay, Shylock is telling that Antonio hates the whole Jew community. He abuses and criticizes Jew and especially abuses and criticizes Shylock on the Rialto. Okay, he's telling that he abuses my sacred nation. Not only this, he also abuses me in the Rialto. And in the end, he's telling that if he would forgive Antonio, then whole Jew community is going to curse Shylock. And this is the reason that he would not forgive Antonio. Now Bassanio is telling Shylock, do you hear? Shylock, are you hearing or not? Shylock at that time, what did Shylock reply? I am debating of my present store. Means I am thinking how much money I have in store. Okay. And by the near guess of memory, I can instantly raise up by the gross. And now he's telling that as far as I know, I don't have that present store. Present store means 3,000 ducats. What Bassanio wants, that amount. Shylock does not have. Next he is telling that so what? If I don't have, no problem. I will still give the money to you by taking it from Tubal. Now, who is Tubal? Tubal is a wealthy Hebrew. Hebrew means Jew only, okay? Tubal is another Jew. And Shylock would take the money from Tubal and then lend it to Bassanio, okay? Now, next, Antonio is telling, Shylock, albeit I neither lend nor borrow by taking nor by giving excess. Now, what is Antonio telling? That he neither lends money nor borrows money by interest, but now he would take money with interest, okay, to supply the right want of my friend. Because of Bassanio, he is going to break his usual custom and he is going to take loan with interest. Shylock, 3,000 ducats. Okay, Shylock is once again telling 3,000 ducats. And what is Antonio telling? For 3 months. What is Antonio telling? Yes, I want 3,000 ducats and that also for 3 months. Shylock, I had forgotten 3 months. What is Shylock telling? That I have forgotten 3 months. You told me so. Well then, your bond and let me see. And what is Shylock telling? That you have to sign a bond. Okay, I want your guarantee. Then Shylock is telling Antonio, methought you said you neither lend nor borrow upon advantage. Shylock is telling Antonio that I thought that you neither take money nor lend money with interest. Antonio is telling that yes, I never used to do it, but now I will break my custom and I will take loan with interest. Okay, up to this much, and in a next video I will continue this portion. Until then, goodbye.